Hello student, I am Shivam sir. Welcome back to another important video. Today I am telling you osmotic pressure, colligative property. Fourth colligative property is osmotic pressure. After this, semi-permeable membrane. After this, numericals of osmotic pressure. So first I am telling you osmotic pressure, the external pressure which should be applied on the solution. The external pressure which should be applied on the solution to prevent flow of solvent into solution. Okay, the external pressure which should be applied on the solution to prevent flow of solvent into solution, it's called osmotic pressure. Osmotic pressure denoted by pi. Want half in 1887 observed that for dilute solution osmotic pressure is given as pi is equal to CRT. Okay students, so look here, what is osmotic pressure? Osmotic pressure, the external pressure, consider this is the solution. Okay, this is the solution. So एक्सटर्नल प्रेशर, द आउटर प्रेशर, जो बाहर से प्रेशर लगाया जाता है उसे कहते हैं एक्सटर्नल प्रेशर. एक्सटर्नल प्रेशर, एक्सटर्नल प्रेशर, द एक्सटर्नल प्रेशर which applied on the solution, the external pressure which applied on the solution to prevent flow of solvent into solution, it's called osmotic pressure. Osmotic pressure denoted by pi. Pi is equal to CRT, where pi is osmotic pressure, C is concentration of solution, R is gas constant. Value of R gas constant is 0.082 liter atmosphere Kelvin inverse mole inverse. Okay student, other value of R is 0.083 liter bar Kelvin inverse liter bar Kelvin inverse mole inverse. Student, I am telling you last time, osmotic pressure. Osmotic pressure, the external pressure which should be applied, the external pressure which should be applied on the solution to prevent flow of solvent into solution. It's called osmotic pressure. Osmotic pressure, Van 't Hoff in 1887 observed that for dilute solution, osmotic pressure is given as pi is equal to CRT. After this, C is concentration. So C is equal to, we know that C is equal to N upon V, where N is number of mole, V is volume. Okay student, so we can say in the place of C we can write N upon V RT, where pi is osmotic pressure, N is number of mole, V is volume of solution, R is gas constant, T is temperature. I am telling you last time definition, the external pressure which should be applied on the solution to prevent flow of solvent into solution through SPM. Through SPM. Now question is, what is SPM? Full form of SPM is semi permeable membrane. Now question is, what is semi permeable membrane? A membrane which allow solvent molecules, a membrane which allow solvent molecules to pass through it, to pass through it, a membrane which allows solvent molecule to pass through it but prevent the passage of solute particles, but prevent the passage of solute particles, is called semi permeable membrane. Okay student, example of semi permeable membrane is number 1 goat bladder, goat's bladder, X of living cell, egg membrane, egg membrane, cells of living cell, cells of living cell, and fourth is cupric ferrocyanide. Formula of cupric ferrocyanide is Cu2FeCN का whole 5. This is cupric ferrocyanide. Student, I hope that you can understand it. After this, I am telling you next topic. The next topic is numericals of osmotic pressure. Question is calculate the osmotic pressure of first numerical. Calculate the calculate the osmotic pressure of point. Calculate the osmotic pressure of 0.01 m urea aqueous solution of urea. 0.01 m aqueous solution of urea at 27 degrees Celsius. Student, we know that Van 't Hoff in 1887 observed that for dilute solution osmotic pressure pi is equal to CRT. We know that formula. Formula of osmotic pressure is pi is equal to CRT. Here 0.01 is concentration. This is concentration. Concentration is given 0.01. After this 27 degrees Celsius. Temperature is given 27 plus 273 is equal to 300 Kelvin, and value of R is 0.082 liter atmosphere Kelvin inverse mole inverse. Put all values, we get value of C is 0.01, R is 0.082, and temperature T is 300. Now remove this point, increase 1230 down in denominator. 1 2, when we solve it we get 3 2 ja 6, 3 8 ja 24, 1 2 3. Use digit decimal after 3 digit. 0.246 atm. Unit of atmosphere is atmospheric pressure is atm. Okay student, this is the good sum for your exam. Next question is if 1.71 gram of sugar, if 1.71 gram of sugar is dissolved in 500 milliliter. Question is if 1.71 gram of sugar is dissolved in 500 milliliter of solution at 300 Kelvin, then calculate osmotic pressure pi. Then calculate osmotic pressure pi. Student, you know very well formula of osmotic pressure. Pi is equal to CRT, and concentration C is equal to N upon V RT, where N is mole. N is moles of solute. Moles of solute. Student, you know very well moles of solute N is equal to mass of solute upon molecular mass. Mass of solute is given 1.71, and molecular mass of sugar is, look here, molecular mass of sugar, formula of sugar is C12H22O11. Molecular mass is 342. But how? Look here, mass of one carbon atom 12 into 12 plus mass of one hydrogen 1 into 22, mass of oxygen 16 into 11. Finally we get 12 into 12 144, 22 1 ja 22, 16 1 ja 16, carry 1, 6 to 8, 8 4 12, 2 carry 1, 8 8 to 10, 10 4 14, carry 1, 1 1 2 1 3 unit. So this is the molecular mass. So molecular mass is 342. In the place of small n moles of solute we can write 1.71 upon 342, and volume in liter. Volume is given in the question 500 milliliter. Convert it into liter. To convert it into liter divided by 1000, we get 0.5 liter. So put here 0.5, and value of R is value of R, you know very well value of R, I have just told you 0.083, because here is given liter, so we have to take here 0.083 liter bar. R is equal to, in this case we have to take 0.083 liter bar, mole inverse, Kelvin inverse. So you have to learn this value of R. This is gas constant. Another value of R is 0.082 liter atmosphere, mole inverse, Kelvin inverse. After this, temperature is given here 300 Kelvin. So we have to take here temperature 300 Kelvin. Okay, students. Now we have to solve it. Remove this point, increase 0. Again remove this point, increase 1, 2, 3, 0 downward. And 1, 2, 2, 0 again. 1, 2, 3, 3, 0 cancel. And after this, 3. When we solve it, then we get 0.249, and unit of pi we have to take here bar, because we here value of R is taken bar, so we have to take here bar. Student, I hope that you can understand all the numericals very well. If you have any problem, any confusion, then ask me. Like this video, share it to your friends, and if you have any problem, then write in comment box. Thanks for watching.